Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, y'all know I love my chicken. These are some chicken thighs that I washed up and seasoned up. I'm gonna show y'all a quick little sneak peek of something. Don't even comment about it down below. Don't even comment. But on my chicken, I have my own spice. Mesha's Corner Sweet Heat Poultry and Meat Seasoning. This will be available April of this year. So this is what I have on my chicken. However, you can use whatever your favorite all-purpose seasoning is. This is just 1/3 of the dish, so it really doesn't. You can even use salt and pepper because this is gonna be so turned up. You don't need too much. But yeah. Alright, so underneath that chicken, I'm going to be putting potatoes and garlic. So that chicken thigh is just going to drip and cook all down on the sausage and potatoes. This is basically a one-pan meal technically, but I am going to sear off the chicken thighs so the skin could, get some nice color on there. Alright, you guys, this right here is a whole stick of butter and 10 cloves of garlic chopped really fine. You want to melt and cook this down for 2 minutes. First of all, this looks like a whole meal in itself, but it is what it is. It's dinner for the next 3 days. Well, today and the next 2 days, so it's no shame in my game. But in here, I have some home smoked sausage, the garlic flavor, red onion, the potatoes, of course. I have lots of fresh thyme, red and green bell peppers. I have jalapenos here. This was a large jalapeno. I kept the seeds in half, and I got rid of the other half. I wanted spicy, but not too hot. Plus the sausage has some spice in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah. And then we're going to take this garlic butter, melted butter, and put it down in here. We're only going to use half of this. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the other half. Because, Mesha is a genius. If anything, at least leave some of the garlic. We could always add more butter. But, no one's trying to chop any more garlic right now. So I could always add butter, but at least get most of the melted butter down in here. I'm not trying to chop garlic twice, okay? I'm not. Mix this up, pop it into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to add the chicken on top. Alright guys, so to the remaining garlic butter, we're going to add honey to this. About a 4th cup of honey. And this is what's going to go on top of the chicken once we put it on top of the potatoes. I can't do it while I'm holding the phone, but you guys get the point. You want to put this back on the stove and just heat it through for maybe 1 minute. Alright, you guys, so while the potatoes are just, getting a slight little cook on them for about 15-20 minutes, you want to start searing your chicken off just for like 3 minutes per side, just to get some color on it, and that's it. Alright, you guys, so this is what the potatoes look like after about 15 minutes. They're not cooked. They're just a little, they're on the way, but they're not cooked. Now I'm going to top it with the chicken. So then you're going to take your honey, garlic butter, and just go over each thigh with the mixture. If you realize that you have excess, then you could just pour it all over there. I don't have a lot, so I'm making sure I cover each piece of chicken before I do all that. Alright, you guys, so I covered this with parchment paper first. You can see right here, so the honey wouldn't stick. Then I covered it with aluminum foil, pop it back into a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. Alright, y'all. Ooh. Look at this potato, chicken, sausage dish. Now, I'm going to remove the cover and I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 5 or 10 more minutes. And just to brown up everything more. And that's pretty much it. You can eat it just like this, but your girl like a little more color, so. Alright, y'all, look how tender. I'm literally just laying the fork on the potato. Ooh, it smells so good. I can't even tell. The garlic, the butter, the jalapeno is nice and spicy. I love it. Like, look at this. Look at this potato. I want to try it. I gotta try it. Look at this sausage. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's so good. It stretches a long way. You save a buck. This meal was very inexpensive, and it's enough for 4 to 5 people depending on how heavy you guys eat. And yeah, I think this meal was basically cost me like almost what, $10, $10 or $12, and it's enough to feed 4 or more people. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.